guys, today we're storming out to the Oregonian wilderness. A nice little river, the only river I could find that actually kind of allows treble hooks, barbless treble hooks that is, but treble hooks nonetheless, that are stupid, that I can catch. Those unlucky 8-inchers out there, I'm looking after you. I know what you're doing. Oh, I had one. Oh, hit it. Got him. Let's keep him in the water, y'all. You don't want to be mean. He hit it like 4 different times. That might be a brown trout. Hold on. Oregonian wilderness. Nope. Just a pretty, I think, coastal cutty. Hold on, you. Let me wipe my hands. Pretty little fish. Okay. Let's let him go. Oh, Jesus Christ, just eat it. Yeah, chat. Out from the depths comes another trout. He may not be that big, but I don't have a doubt. I watched him eat that one. Oh, he ate it good. Stop flopping and squirming if you want me. Ew. Y'all, he actually ate it good. Frickin' stop, bro.